In this video, we will show you how to install a replacement mortise trim. For full removal instructions, see the Remove Old Mortise Lock video. First, install the spindle from the inside with the V-groove facing bottom door hinge, and thread the screw and lock washer into the spindle from the outside. Tighten securely. For knob-to-knob and lever-to-lever sets, install spindle from outside. Next, cut the thumb piece so that it will fully engage the lift lever on the bottom of the lock. Place the cylinder through the trim. If possible, insert a blank key into the cylinder and thread the cylinder into the lock. If you do not have a blank key, do not fully insert the supplied key. Start the through bolts, which will hold the exterior trim. Make sure to use the screw cover washer under the bottom through bolt, tightening both securely. Cut the thumb turn tailpiece so that it goes halfway through the lock. Place the interior trim on the door. Slide the aligning bushing onto the spindle so it fits into the knob hole. Drill pilot holes and fasten interior trim with supplied fasteners. Remove bushing and discard. Start the set screw before sliding the knob or lever onto the spindle. Slide knob or lever onto the spindle and tighten securely. Next, thread decorative screw cover onto threaded washer. Tighten the cylinder set screw by turning clockwise. Do not over-tighten or use a power screwdriver. Lastly, install the armor front with the small Phillips head screws provided.